Hello everyone. As you know, it's been one hell of a hot summer. This North Florida weather's killing everything. All the plants are dying. Too hot to grow tomatoes, too hot to grow peppers, onions. It's just hot. So I decided it's time to try my hand at hydroponics. So I'm putting up a 6-tower, 15 plants, so that gives me a total of 75. And by golly, I'm gonna see if I can grow something inside. Let me show you what I got working on. It isn't finished yet. We're waiting on the little fittings that you put your plants in. But we've got just about everything done. So let's take a look at it. I used 4-inch schedule 40 all the way across. I divide them into 2 sections of 3, as you can see. We used a water fountain pump. We used a schedule 40, like I said, 4-inch. We made us a pressure manifold. We're using 1.5-inch PVC. It's a little expensive to go this route, but it's heavy duty, so it ought to hold up for a while. We run it all through. Up in the top, we've got a 3-inch shower head in each one of the towers, so that you got a nice flow. You can adjust the pressure by using the manifold here, so that you're not beating your plant's roots all to pieces. And then down in the cleanouts, I bought some 4.5-inch sink strainers, and I took and cut the ring so that they would separate the ring but not the screen, and it made it sort of like a spring. And I don't know if you can see it, but I inserted it down in there, and it snaps right into the first crease of your fitting. So all you got to do is just reach in there and do a clean out. If you get any roots or particles or any kind of trash, I figured I'd get a lot of PVC shavings and stuff when I'm cutting the holes for the pots. So I wanted to keep from getting the pumps all messed up. And one of the things I did do was I put a quick connect on the 1/2-inch so that I could release this and just loosen up the top here. And if you buy the right pumps for this, you can turn around and just lift this straight out, and the pump will come right out. You can service it, you can clean it. We're going to put a nylon stocking around it and some twist ties just to give it a little more protection to keep from getting clogged up. But we do have a way of getting it out and servicing it without any difficulty. And if you need to drain your nutrients, you just shut all your valves off and then hook your hose to the pit cock and run it outside and pump it all out. And it'll get about 90 to 95%. You'll have about 1 inch, 1.5 inches down in the bottom. Now what we did was, I decided to use the PVC itself as a nutrient tank. We'll fill it up. It'll come up to about 3 inches up the cleanup, and then we'll stop it. And that'll hold us a little better than 10 gallons of nutrients. So that ought to last us a fair amount of time. Now when the pots come in, the little fittings that go into the 4-inch, I took and made a stencil, and I'm running that at 4.5 apart. So you've got one that'll be here, then you come down and you'll have 4.5 inches at a 45-degree angle. And then down the center, you'll actually be 9 inches between the plants as you set them up. So you got 9 inches on the center with a 4.5 on each side at a 45. I did not drill the back of them because with the grow lights, the sun, you wouldn't get any grow lights, so you can't grow nothing, plus right up against the wall. So there's no sense in doing that. And then we turned around and we put these Agra LED Sun Pro 365 grow lights. I got 3 of them, 5,000 watt LED. And so we're hoping that once we get the little fixtures in that go into our pipe and get it drilled out, we'll have this situated and we can start hammering on some veggies. Got some tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, squash, onions, a little bit of this, that, and the other, and we're going to try our hand in every bit of it. Keep a little air conditioning going on it, have a little fan going, keep the temperature right, keep the nutrients right, the pH right, and we're going to rock and roll. Thanks for checking it out, and I will be posting an update once we finish setting it all up and getting it running. I'll post one when we start planting, and I'll post one again later on after we've been going for 2 or 3, 4 weeks. Y'all have a great day.